Hello friends, today, we will learn different names of birds. Are you ready? Let's start. This is a penguin. Penguin is a flightless bird that waddles on ice and swims in water. This is a flamingo. Flamingo is a pink bird that stands on one leg. This is a peacock. Peacock is a colorful bird with a fan of shimmering feathers. This is a duck. Duck is a water bird with webbed feet and a quack. This is a goose. Goose is a water bird larger than a duck with a loud honk. This is a swan. Swan is a graceful white bird that glides on water. This is a parrot. Parrot is a colorful bird that can mimic human speech. This is a macaw. Macaw is a large parrot with vibrant feathers. This is a toucan. Toucan is a tropical bird with a big, colorful beak. This is an owl. Owl is a nocturnal bird with large eyes and a hooting call. This is an eagle. Eagle is a powerful bird of prey with sharp talons. This is a falcon. Falcon is a fast bird of prey known for its speed. This is a hawk. Hawk is a bird of prey with sharp eyesight. This is a vulture. Vulture is a scavenger bird that eats dead animals. This is ostrich. Ostrich is the largest bird, which can't fly, but runs fast. This is emu. Emu is a large, flightless bird from Australia. This is a kiwi bird. Kiwi bird is a small, flightless bird from New Zealand.